Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hyderabad Biker Vlogs. So today we are going on a midnight ride. So this was an all of sudden plan which we have done a couple of hours back. So we are going to Durgam Cheruvu cable bridge. So this was constructed very recently in Hyderabad, Telangana. So we are going towards that bridge. Now we are at Vijayanagar crossing. So we are going towards Banjara Hills. So we have a little traffic here on this circle. So once we pass this Banjara Hills circle, and we will be going towards road number 12. From there we will be crossing Jubilee Hills post. So the weather in Hyderabad is very pleasant. So I have checked a couple of weather reports where it was showing most of the places are cloudy, and at some places it was a little drizzling as well. So I was worried before I start that there should not be any rains. Hopefully there was no rain yet, so we are enjoying the ride. Always in the night ride we'll have a very less traffic, and we will be enjoying the ride, because at the morning or the daytime you don't get this free roads where we can enjoy our ride. So I'm just slowing down a little bit here. I see there are some potholes and there is a rough patch. Now we are very close to the bridge, the Durgam Cheruvu bridge. Almost, I believe it's 400 meters. Now we are going towards that. So I don't know how much my camera is justifying the beauty of these roads. Here we go, we are almost there. See the beauty of this bridge. It's an art, or I can say it's a marvelous piece of architecture. And let me give you a little background here. So above to this bridge, below, this is an above position, and the below we have Durgam Cheruvu lake. So that's why they have constructed this bridge over Durgam Cheruvu lake. So that's the reason they have used these cables to support the bridge. See, this is how the bridge looks like. It's really awesome, guys. See our flag on the cables. So let me slow down here so you can have a clear view of this a beautiful piece of art. For you all, I'm adding a small clip in this video which we have taken from our second camera, and you can see this beautiful art of construction. Here we are concluding our ride, guys. If you like this video, please do like and also share your valuable comments on my video. Please do subscribe my channel Hyderabad Biker Vlogs. See you then. Stay tuned. Have a great weekend. Bye.